people don't realize that we're slowly being rationed. Slowly being rationed. Remember buying ice cream and it was half gallon? Now it's like a quart and a half. Wheat, corn, all the bunch of big produce items. They've been ravaged this year, and it's just the beginning. And that's why we need to start doing victory gardens all over again. Self-sufficient farming, and and that's the thing is any building, a skyscraper, multi-story building should, say there's, 20 floors of a building. One of those floors should be dedicated to a community garden, for, and to try and lower the, just to help control the food and whatnot. Make sure we don't starve and everything, especially in the cities. It's a lot easier out in the countryside or in rural areas, suburban areas, to have a nice little plot of, to get some produce. Maybe, it might only yield, rations here and there, because things, take time to grow, and they're all different and stuff of the sort. And that's why things are seasonal. But, like, a lot of the prepper stuff is nonsense, and a lot of, like, the overhypeness, like, if, someone's coming at you with I would say there's two armed assailants coming after you, and you have to, well, how are you going to defend yourself or whatever else? And it's like, how many times are people actually in that situation? Yeah, it happens and everything of that sort. But you don't want someone having to itch a trigger finger because, in a bar fight, that's not good for no one. I took this class. And I heard this, that. So where am I going at with this? What it comes down to is, the proper mentality, everyone should have, at least a month of solid, non-perishable rations on hand. At least a meal a day, at least 30 meals, on hand. And, water purification device, or iodine tablet, water, something of the sort. Have, just some stored water, and make certain it's stored in the proper containers, because a lot of plastics leach. The BPA thing, So, anyways, take care, be safe, be kind, stay strong, think smart. This isn't, a joking matter and stuff. There's food shortages, and we're just starting to see the ripples. Alright? The price of food is going to go up here in the next few months. If not before the holidays, it's going to be after the holidays in early 2020. Take care, be safe, and stay strong. Love you all. Deuces.